Now let's talk about what is stakeholder theory. This theory was developed by R. Edward Freeman, which imposed that an organization should create value for its stakeholders and not just shareholders. Stakeholders are defined as any group or individual who can affect or is affected by the achievement of their organization's objectives. This includes employees, customers, suppliers, communities, and shareholders. There are key principles of stakeholder theory. First is inclusivity. It is all about recognizing and valuing the interests of all stakeholders. Second is interconnectedness. It is all about the relationships and interactions among its stakeholders. Third is value creation. It is all about focusing on creating long-term value for all stakeholders. And last is ethical management. It is all about ensuring that the organization operates in an ethical manner. Thank you and happy learning.